morning student. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institution online classes. Student, in today's class we will solve some numerical problem from exercise 3.1. Now numerical number first. A force of 15 Newton causes displacement of 5 meter. Force is 15 Newton and displacement of 5 meter in its own direction. What is the magnitude of work done? Student, in this question, force is 15 Newton and displacement is 5 meter. And we have to find out magnitude of work done. Student, as you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here force is 15 Newton and displacement is 5 meter. After multiplying we get 75 joule, and joule is the unit of work done. So magnitude of work done is 75 joule. Now student, numerical number second. A boy does a work of 1000 joule in dragging a sack of rice through a distance of 20 meter. What is the magnitude of force applied by the boy? Student, here work is 1000 joule and displacement is 20 meter, and we have to find out force. Student, as you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 1000 and force की वैल्यू हम लोग को डिफाइन करनी है, एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट और डिस्टेंस इज 20 मीटर. सो फोर्स इक्वल टू 1000 डिवाइड बाय 20. आफ्टर सॉल्विंग वी गेट फोर्स इज 50 न्यूटन. And student, Newton is the unit of force. So magnitude of force applied by the boy is 50 Newton. Now student, numerical number third. A work of 15 joule is done in moving a body through 2 meter in the direction of applied force. Calculate the magnitude of the applied force. Student, in this question work is 15 joule and displacement is 2 meter, and we have to find out magnitude of force. As you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 15 joule and displacement is 2 meter, and we have to find out force. So force equal to 15 divided by 2. After dividing we get 7.5 Newton, and Newton is the unit of force. So the magnitude of force is 7.5 Newton. Now student, numerical number fourth. A girl applies a force of 60 Newton in pushing a table such that work done by her is 15 joule. Calculate the displacement produced in the table. Student, here force is 60 Newton and work done is 15 joule, and we have to find out displacement. As you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here force is 60 and work done is 15. So displacement equal to 15 divided by 60. After dividing we get 1 by 4, or we can write 0.25 meter. So the displacement is 0.25 meter. Student, numerical number 5th. A work of 450 joule is done when a force of 15 Newton is applied to a cart. Calculate the distance through which the cart moves. Student, in this question work is 450 joule and force is 15 Newton, and we have to find out distance or displacement. So the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 450 and force is 15 Newton. So S equal to 450 divided by 15. After dividing we get 30 meter, and meter is the unit of displacement. So the displacement is 30 meter. Student, question number 6. Calculate the amount of work done when a force of 30 Newton displaces a body through 25 meter in its own direction. Student, in this question force is 30 Newton and displacement is 25 meter, and we have to find out work done. And the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here force is 30 Newton and displacement is 25 meter. After multiplying we get 750 joule or 750 Newton into meter, because Newton is the unit of force and meter is the unit of displacement. So we can write 750 joule or 750 Newton into meter. So the work done is 750 Newton into meter. Student, question number 7. A worker does 150 joule of work by dragging a sack of cement with a force of 60 Newton. Find the displacement of the sack. Student, in this question work done is 150 joule and force is 60 Newton, and we have to find out displacement. Student, as you know that the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here work done is 150 and force is 60 Newton. So S is displacement. Displacement equal to 150 divided by 60. After solving we get 2.5 meter. So the displacement of the sack is 2.5 meter. Now question number 8. A force of 10 Newton is acting on an object. The object is displaced through a distance of 500 centimeter in the direction of the force. Find the work done. Student, in this question, force is 10 Newton and displacement is 500 centimeter. And we have to find out work done. Student, here displacement is 500 centimeter. So firstly we have to convert centimeter into meter, because the unit of work done is Newton into meter or joule. So firstly we have to convert centimeter into meter. Student, as you know that 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So 500 centimeter equal to 500 divided by 100 meter. After dividing, we get 5 meter. So displacement is 5 meter. And the formula of work done equal to force into displacement. Here force is 10 Newton and displacement is 5 meter. After multiplying, we get 50 joule or 50 Newton into meter. So the work done is 50 joule. So student, today's class is over. Thank you.